seeing the suspect at the scene of the crime. It's day 7 of the Harvest Homecoming murder trial. And for the first time, jurors heard from a witness who says he saw Isaiah Page at the festival the night of the shooting.
And Page is charged with firing the shot that killed an innocent bystander, Bryce Gerlach. Cameras are not allowed in the court. But Madison Elliott has been inside for us and is live to recap this key testimony. Madison?
Of the many co-defendants who have testified over the last 7 days, none said that they knew Isaiah Page or could place him at the scene, but today that changed. Friday marked another day of testimony in the murder case of 19-year-old Isaiah Page. Prosecutors allege he was standing in the fountain area by the Scribner house when he fired his gun. They say his bullets were meant for someone else, but hit 18-year-old Bryce Gerlach, who was there that night with his girlfriend. Gerlach was an innocent bystander and died from his injuries. Multiple people charged and sentenced in the case have taken the stand over the first 7 days of the trial. But those who testified all said they didn't know Isaiah Page and didn't see who fired the shots. But on Friday, a witness who says he was at the fountain area that night said he knew Page before the shooting and saw him there. However, he was standing in a different area than Page. The witness said a large group of people approached the fountain area, and then he heard someone in the group say, quote, "Do you want to bang it out?" Meaning shoot. He left and heard the shots behind him. He says he did not see who fired and didn't see Page with a gun. Police said a dispute between two groups led to the shooting. But the question still remains, who fired and why? The trial is set to continue Monday. We did just see everybody leave the courthouse for today, so it looks like they are wrapping up for today, but more testimony will continue next week. Reporting live, Madison Elliott, WLKY News.